Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. This is the Form 5 UT practice, and this practice is about the inequalities. Inequalities is a very important topic in your exam because that also has at least 6 marks, I think more. 4 is here and there's some others in the other questions. Anyway, so this is not really the hardest topic, because one of the easier topic, because you just have to open up the things and then find the solution, but then you are given two different equations and you have to find the solution from two different and then in the end combine them. So the first one first, 3 minus 5x plus 2 larger than 1, and then there's a word between or, and the negative 3x minus 8x over 2. And then open up the bracket. Open up the bracket means there's negative 5 goes here and goes also here. So it will be 3 minus 5x minus 10 bigger than 1, larger than 1. And then next step is that we put numbers on one side, unknowns on the other side. So negative 5x here, 1 minus 3 plus 10. Because this 3 is here is positive, so you go to the other side, becomes negative. This 10 is negative here, so go to the other side, it will be positive. And then click this whole thing in calculator. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So negative 5x. And then 8 here. And then now I don't need this negative 5 here, so I want to move it to the other side. But this is the hardest part of inequality. When you move a negative thingy going to the other side, times or division, then we change the sign. Originally it was larger, now it becomes smaller. Okay, and then you can click in calculator. What is 8.5? 8 over 5, so negative 1.6. That's it. How about the other one? You have a fraction here, but this fraction here is positive. So if you move this to the other side, will it change the sign? No, only the negatives change the sign. So it will be 2 this, and then open up the brackets, negative 6x, negative 16, and then numbers on one side, unknowns on the other side. Negative 16 is here, and then so the other side is positive, and all the unknowns put it on one side. Negative 6 minus 1, negative 7x. And then again we have to change the sign because our negative sign is going that side. And then 16 over 7, because it has a very pretty answer. So do you have to change it? Nope, nope, nope. You can't, because it has ugly answer, so you just write it as this way. I'm so sorry. I'm just so sick right now. And then we draw the number line 0. 16 over 7 is 2 point something, I think. Yeah, so negative 1.6 here, and then negative 16 over 7, and then we draw the lines for both of them. 16 over 7 is getting lesser, and then there's a equal sign, so you blacken it. And then negative 1.6 also getting lesser, but there's no equal sign on top, so empty there. And then let's shade both of them. Negative 1.6 is this, and then negative 16.6 is this. And then the question is or. Or means all the shaded parts. So all the shaded parts, everywhere is shaded from here, right? These parts are shaded. And it started from negative 1.6. So your final answer is x is less than negative 1.6. Now what if in the middle here it's the AND case? AND means and they met, and they met. So where do both of them are shaded? This part, right? This smaller part. Then it will have been this as the answer. But now the question is or, so you just see wherever is shaded, and wherever that shaded starts from, that's the answer. Now this is your answer, right? That's part A. So from this answer, what's the greatest number, greatest integer? You have to be less than negative 1.6. Is negative 1 less than this? No. So the highest, the greatest number will be negative 2. Okay, that's the answer. Now you can try next on your own. You can try this on your own. You can try this on your own. And this one also on your own. Just practice. And then I will do 5.2 in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.